Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm making even one more unboxing video from a pen that I received from eBay from China. I'm really looking after for some Chinese pens. Some are very interesting, and so here are some more pens, and as you can see here, 6 pens. Nice. So let's take a look. This is a regular plastic envelope and it won't be easy to open unless we cut it. I just don't want to cut anything inside. Okay, here we have it. So here we have 5 of those 6 pens, and here they are. And which pens are these? These are the Wingsung 3003, which are nice pens and very inexpensive, and I think I must say very cheap. So nice. It is almost impossible not to buy the whole lot, and this I think will be nice, and I'll have to try them and to see how they work. The review will be coming soon, and I'll also post the link to the eBay auction. And here we have a more interesting box. There was no box at all for the Wingsung pens, and this one has the Hero logo there. And this is a cardboard sleeve. How will I take it off without ripping it apart? Like this. And okay, some papers, a nice leathery looking pouch, and here we have a very heavy pen, and this is the Hero, there's not a number written here, it is the Hero 718, which is an interesting pen. Here it is, very nice, made of steel, very heavy, and you unscrew it and there's no nib showing because this one has a retractable nib. So very nice pen. I'm really looking forward to review this soon. I will also put the link to the seller below. This pen is made in 3 different colors. This one, another gray, and other black, and so you can choose if there is any that you like. So thank you so much for watching this video of another pen unboxing from China, and here we have 5 Wingsung 3003 and 1 Hero H718. So thank you for coming by. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, like our videos, and comment if you want. If you want me to change something or to improve anything on my videos, and please keep coming back for more videos like these and some video reviews also. See you next time. Bye.